Rita. Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe comes from the royal kitchen of a great queen. Her name was Maharani Gayatri Devi. Maha means great and Rani means queen. She belonged to the princely Indian state of Rajasthan. Rajasthan, which means the land of kings and queens, an ancient land of old palaces, old forts. No wonder this dish I'm going to make today is so elegant, so full of subtle and delicate flavors. It really melts in your tongue and you can feel the infusion of crushed cardamom, crushed ginger, chopped green chilies, infused in chicken which has been marinating in curds overnight. We call it curds, others call it yogurt. And all of it is cooked in savory homemade ghee. Oh, by the way, Maharani Gayatri Devi was in the list of the 10 most beautiful women in the world, which was declared by the magazine Vogue. So, is it any wonder that a beautiful queen has created such a beautiful savory dish? I'm not surprised at all. So, without further ado, let's head to my humble kitchen to recreate a dish from a royal kitchen. I hope I do justice to it. So let me show you what I have here. I have about a little over a kilo of chicken which I have marinated in curds overnight. And then I have grated ginger about this size. I've got chopped up green chilies about 5 or 6, and this is crushed cardamom. I peeled the cardamoms and I used this to crush up the cardamom. Apart from that, I have homemade ghee over here which I'm going to be cooking the chicken in. So my dish is heating and I'm going to put the ghee in. Say about 4 tablespoons. Yeah, I've got my 4 tablespoons of ghee in, and now I'm going to put the cardamom, the crushed cardamom in. So I put the crushed cardamom in and I let it fry. My heat is low. Don't get the heat too high up when you're cooking this dish. I'll just let the cardamom fry a little bit so that the smell of the cardamom infuses into the ghee. Ah, the smell of heating ghee is the most awesome smell. About 1 or 2 minutes, and then I'm going to put the ginger in. Ginger's got in and I'll fry it a little bit. Ghee, cardamom and ginger. Beautiful smell. This is what makes this dish so tasty. And the best thing about this dish is that it's so simple really to make. That's why it's so elegant and so subtle. The flavors are so subtle because it's so simple. There's hardly any spices that go in. It's just ginger, cardamom and then the green chilies. The green chilies go in and let it. It's all frying on low heat, by the way. Don't get the heat up too much. Fry it a little bit until the smell of the raw ginger goes away. Until you get a nice cooked ginger smell. About 2 or 3 minutes should be enough. Now into this I'm going to put the chicken in. So here goes the chicken inside. It's so simple, isn't it? Marinating chicken. I had already put salt in it. Salt, curds or yogurt and chicken. So I've put in all the chicken and I'm going to stir it about a bit. There's lots of ghee as you can see. And the chicken is going to cook in this. I've raised the heat a little bit, not much. And then I'll reduce the heat, cover it, and let it slow cook until the chicken is done. So slowly the chicken will start bubbling inside, and it will take about 30 to 40 minutes for the chicken to cook, because the chicken flesh is already tender. It's been marinating overnight. So my chicken has been cooking for about 40 minutes now. So let's see what's happening inside. I'm going to open the lid now. Ah, yes. Look at that. So the chicken had the skin on, so it's given off a lot of fat in itself. Oh, you should smell it. I'm getting that lovely ginger, cardamom, green chili hit, and the chicken is nice and tender. It's well done. So that's it. This is going to be my dinner for tonight. Isn't it beautiful? So when I have my dinner tonight, I'll pretend that I'm the great Maharani of some exotic land and savor this dish and see if I really turn into a Maharani. Anyway, bye for today. See you next time. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can experience more exotic dishes like this.